So starting this project, I started with the card class in Java. I made two methods with the integer value and string name, since we'll be using that to help the project. I did a method to this dot value and this dot name, and then I did my getters and setters. And then on deck, the deck class, I made the method deck and made the method with list card. So I'd go back to the card. And since I'm gonna be making an array, I did card equals new array list. Here is where I gave the suits the elements of the name of the cards for the suits, and then the names of the numbers that will be on there. And then I did a for loop since we're dealing with numbers. And so the card name is going to be anything less than 2, and then, or anything equal to 2, and then anything less than or equal to 14, which will be the ace. And then I did the shuffle method, and then I did a public method for when they are pulling from the deck. So return card stop remove, and or if there's like nothing left on the for them to remove, it will return null. Then I went for player, and here I did a public class, and I claimed to get all like the list and then the integer score with the string name. And then we also have the hand. So the hand is equal to a new array, and then the score will be equal to 0, and then the name with the name. So I did the describe method, and we'll print out player plus name, score plus score, and then hands list, which is what's in their hand. And then for each card that's in hand, I did the describe method with the for loop. And then I did an if else statement for the card flip. And I did the public void for the deck for if statement. And then I hand.add so the card would go in the hand. And then I did the getters and setters. We're down here, I did the intimate score, and then this will have the score added up. And then the app has how it will be played. So I named the values up here the way the player 1 will have it like it is down here. And then the deck will shuffle using a for loop and an if statement. And then I made another for loop for each player to flip their card. And then I have the system prints for them to print the card once it's been flipped. And then an if statement to get the value of the card. So whether player 1 gets a point or player 2 gets a point. or if they draw the same card, it'll be a draw. And then down here, I have the final score. And then I did an if-else statement to determine who would win. And then when I print it out, it runs, ending with player one wins.